Hello Kushe and welcome to Orange Football Special with me, Mohamed Toby Kagbo. Orange Football Special, now the program where they tell you all the matter about football, both local and the international stage. Orange Football Special, they come to TV screen every Tuesday from 10 to 11 p.m. on SLBC Channel 31 or SLBC TV Channel 31 Facebook page. A Priority Solution Limited, the power Orange Football Special, and are the lead mobile telecom provider in the country, Orange the supporter. And guess what? This love ya just the sweet, and they love them for sweet more so Orange Toka with massive data increments. All you need to do on Monday, Wednesdays and Friday, any data where you buy Orange give you 150% bonus. Continue to use Orange. Stay with Orange because we love get for sweet. Let me go for a quick break. Where we come, we go discuss on the Sierra Leone Benin match. We have the rescheduled for play in June 2021. If you say this now the right decision, we come off from CAF, or you feel say CAF go reverse the decision after we the Sierra Leone Football Association we don't say never to an appeal to CAF for looking back into the case. Let me go for a quick break. We will come back and introduce me guest them inside the studio. Then we start the discussion.
Orange like you, and because we like you, we dey introduce we first loyalty program when our Orange like you, the first ever na salon. This na for sure say we appreciate and love all we loyal customer them. Ready oh, cause we dey can pamper you with amazing surprise them like you dream birthday party, data bonus, voice and SMS offer them. You go get VIP ticket to all program when our Orange dey sponsor. Tourist trips, discounts on prompt postpaid payment, and boku other surprise them. Orange like you now we bally eye, you now we bosom, and you now we body.
Orange.
Welcome back from the quick break. You watch Orange Football Special with me, Mohamed Toby Kagbo. We go take a look today. The Leon Stars Benin game where the Benin national team be refused for calm down the boss. Waiting at the reason we make them be refused for or not the fixtures, not for calm down the boss and play against Leon Stars. We go start from also the results will be coming from Nakovac. We say 5 Benin players them test positive for the COVID-19. We make the Benin Federation not been believe safe. The players they test positive, and that is the reason we make them not been decide for play the game. But in the studio, I with 2 colleagues them. I will start with Hilton John. Kushan, welcome to the show.
Yeah, thanks to you, my brother. It's indeed a pleasure.
And also I get Martin Usha-Conte, the presenter for CTN Sport. Martin, Kushan, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
First, I will start with Hilton John. Just give me a brief background on all that you gathered between the Leon Stars and Benin match this past Tuesday.
Well, I can say it started well, despite we can't get the ugly incidents that occurred at the Sheikh Stephen Stadium. The Benin team came and stayed Sierra Leone. They landed at the Freetown Airport with a chartered flight, and then we present a case that we don't get tired, so they not be get the COVID test at that moment at the airport. And there was an understanding with Nakovac and also the Benin Federation, headed by the Minister of Sports of Benin. We see they move the team out, then go to the hotel, and then the second day, then come for training, just 24 hours to the match. Now then before staying at the Sheikh Stephen Stadium, we were stopped not for watching them, because that was their own decision. And later on, we see the Sierra Leone team also coming in. You can recall, say the Sierra Leone team don't start for team for the past 6 months, despite our home-based players, with the inclusion of the foreign-based players, and the challenges that we, according to Kista, face in terms of other players and for join the team. So luckily for me, I went to the stadium at 1:30. We get the CCI accreditation, and we suppose for the commentaries we will get different sponsors. So the time I go said the 2 teams are not kite, but I left my boys and they do connection, and then I go down to football association for collect my pass. I got a pass, then I come back on my way to the Sheikh Stephen Stadium. I see Benin they enter, so like I just drive at the back of Benin, and then Sierra Leone follow next, the Sierra Leone team. So the 2 teams come at the stadium. Sierra Leone team step off from the bus, then go at the dressing room. So like mid inside the stadium, the monitor my boys whether they don't do all the connections, and they watch I come back at the dressing room, they watch the Sierra Leone team. So gone, we start to be hearing some rumor. Benin no condone it, so wait a minute, no condone it. Okay. So me as a journalist, what I did, I went to the scene for no waiting are the problem.
Okay, might just only a bit Hilton and turn to Martin. According to the CAF protocol, it means any team where they come now country for play, reach into the airport and for do the COVID test. You know, if you say that's not the first step where Sierra Leone gets them wrong for allow the Benin team for move to the hostel without going through the COVID test.
Yeah, I think that the very first mistake that they will do, because not to Benin for dictate to we when they for do the test. No matter if it's entire or not tire. The same thing they do to Nigeria upon arrival. I didn't say the Everton midfielder when Iwobi get corona. They left Lunge Airport where they talk to the long tire. Then go to the hotel and the NACOVAC official after they do the test. Before they kind of feel and communicate to them say 5 of them players them get COVID-19. And they one day strictly say 5 of them players and they not for even join the team bus for Kamna Stadium. But it seems themselves gets their own game plan. Because if they say 5 of them players them get COVID-19, so they say work on their plan, say okay, we can say we take them 5 players there, we put 10 our bus, we go at the stadium, we don't play the game. Okay. And the plan works. Because when they come at the stadium at 2:50, the Leon Star team don't go now na the dressing room. Then insist. We get the match commissioner and same way so the CAF security and the Liberian and the G Kwame. He advise them say, "Una calm down." If they tell una say the 5 not for calm down the balls, then go left and take them back to the hotel. But they insist. We are thinking say that's a be wrong from the visiting team. Yes, we not say we don't get them wrong when you not do the test at the airport. But then say we get them totally wrong. For ladies insist that the boss seat they know they can do. Because we all know football the rules you know they ban them. It no matter whether you are grieved or you get right. If they don't tell you say if 5 players they get corona, you come with 24 players then. Allow the 19 players then for calm down, they go play the game. But like I say, it seems from what they get the message, then say try for work on their own tactics and say we say go implement your own, then let me see if we go succeed. And at the end of the day, we will succeed.
Right.
And the game not play at all.
Hilton, you don't travel with the national team in different occasions, if not only even the national team, but you don't travel with different category them. Just give me a brief background during this COVID period because we meant to understand if they're part of the team that traveled to Nigeria.
Yeah.
Just want to know, which not the case with different compared to the Benin team arriving here in Freetown?
I want to differ a little bit with Martin. When Martin talk about the rules is right, but there are times, like he tells you, not all situations are the same. Because Solomon Jamiu will be there at the scene. He explained to the procedure. According to Solomon Jamiu, these are diplomats. The way how they will treat a local case, not so they will treat a foreign case. When we went to Nigeria, I got that experience. Not only the day we go to Nigeria and do we test. We went to Abuja, there was no test. We bought our flights, we went to Benin, there was no test. We go to our hotel. Like when they play the other day, then go the morning. We play the very day, and the early morning, then go do a test at 7:45 a.m. in Nigeria. When we went to the field, they stopped. We say we not go enter the field until the result come. The very day for the match. The very day for the match. Luckily, we spent about 30 minutes added to the time when the game for start. The result come. All of we tested negative. Then we enter the Nigeria field. So there are times the two situations not going to be the same. But as he say, yes, he's right. There was no need for the Benin team for detect to a NACOVAC. But in some situation or cases, there must be an understanding. You know, say yes, you go cast blame on NACOVAC 100%. The side they want to cast blame on NACOVAC when the team reluctantly say that they calm down. What the Minister of Sports and other authorities did, they contacted NACOVAC. NACOVAC sent some of the officers that we can at the stadium. We spent over 1 hour 30 minutes going to 2 hours. Ambulance not there. They tell the ambulance and then the ambulance officer then dress like Chris Mano, then dress like what they can take people that will get Ebola. At that time, them man and they don't work them plan.
So you know if you say this hospitality where we show to the visiting team don't cost me a lot now, we can't reschedule the match.
For me, it's about principle. Because me say the thing say, but then people like, wow, no for go jack then at the boss who winning can dong. But how can you identify? It's about name. In professional football and passport, how you identify saying that this man this for the NACOVAC officer and one, or maybe the security apparatus. There were enough security from the ARSLAV and the Sierra Leone police. But if you go first tell people that they bring in Canada, they would say the first way Solomon Jamiu told us is about contact tracing. It's about primaries. They get in terminology there. For example, say the already inside the bus, by right enough for be the all for them be a primary contact, by right them for go quarantine them. So from that step, they start for say, what's in the gun? The same Solomon Jamiu will say, this is a diplomatic issue.
Okay. Let's just bring Martin. Martin, 5 players, according to what come up from NACOVAC, is that not tested positive from the Benin team. Considering that key players there, not the Benin team, they are among the 5 players. You don't feel say this not the reason we make the Benin team refuse to come down the bus, considering the fact that this player we are unpicked by NACOVAC.
I'm not going to say they are unpicked by NACOVAC. NACOVAC do them test, they see them positives. Simple. Kenya travel to Togo, 4 players, they say they're positive. The England situation also now be just a similar case to we own when they get when they play against Poland, where the issue become up of a player where they say be positive and later negative and go play. But one thing where I think say we CAF done the work on now that now before because we get the World Cup qualifiers they come in June. They don't try for contact WHO that then get WHO representatives same when they do the test. Because a lot of African countries now, they use, and clubs now, they use this corona thing for at least, for intimidate people them. For try for get results, unfair results to the opponents them. So now that don't happen. The same, we mentioned, I mean, at the World Soccer Africa on Thursday, when one of the Nigerian parents, one former goalkeeper, they say, the same thing way Benin do to them, and Sierra Leone do to Benin. It seems this don't become like a usual habits now. Say, okay, this now is not about go bribe me, we go bribe referee now. When you come, we will tell you say when players they get COVID. I remember I think we won Champions League where 12 players them they say they get COVID. Then they also now be serious issue, but the team go and play. So for me, I think say Benin be getting wrong for saying they play in a game day. Because the rules very simple. Out of 24 players, if they pull 5 commodity, I must go left. Then 19 players go left. The 19 players then for play.
Okay.
You understand? Though is this similar from the Aston Villa situation compared to the Liverpool situation. But for me, I think say the guys they use the tactics whereas they end up succeed. Me no go talk so for go wood same power no. Then they also na be another case for we for another time. If we ever venture for so to go wood say, to go identify the players and pull it say power for Kano. I don't think so we get that right say. Okay. The only thing maybe they expect all left with the match commissioner because mind you before they left go Bintoumani we get a message say the game go play at 7 o'clock. Maybe they expect say we go see if the Benin team insists. We don't see the match commissioners and the referees in Canada the match venue, but we don't see that happen. The next 2 go from the FAC they don't cancel the match. But you see at times we talk but with local press. The FAC seem not to show respect to the local press. Before the team left, I deal with the security officer at Bintoumani. They say now just a single person and 10 journalists them. All what they say on social media, now from there the CAF organizing committee look and decide to postpone this game to June. Okay. So it tells you how the local press important. Me and Hilton in 2016, chartered flight, the past government, we went to Ivory Coast. We do all what we're supposed to do. Because we know say we go there, we go on behalf of Sierra Leone. Government treat you well, so we do the work. But see, I imagine we all sit on IASO. How many of we the FA accredited? None of us. They're not even accredited. So how do you expect the local journalists to do the job? Okay. And that would be, after all this story happen, people begin question what do local journalists they do? But nobody questioned the Football Association. They are the 3 journalists on that particular day. Okay. Nobody questioned them.
We go come more into that. Martin mentioned a key thing, talking about the match commissioner, the referee, and the security them, or the authority them where being get duty on that particular day. You know, if you see then contribute keenly in all this.
Well, for me, they were under instruction, to be honest, because I was very close to the match commissioner. The match commissioner from Ghana, my first match list, is not much mature or get the experience how for deal with situation or issue when it started. Now, going to the referees then came out of the pitch, then see the scene, then stood in front of the boss. They were waiting for instruction from the point of the match commissioner. While the match commissioner himself communicated the issue to CAF, he was waiting for instruction. The immaturity from the match commissioner, I sense out from a body language, and the security from CAF, instead be getting on tricks. Instead be getting on way was see if they try to manipulate. There is this thought we can have in mind where I do investigation within the corridor of SLFA that African politics was demonstrated on that scene. There is this the African politics about even the man from Liberia. He got a bitterness mind for Sierra Leone. Okay. A demonstrator when Sierra Leone played against Liberia. Yeah. That was the time Sierra Leone was banned from using the stadium. There are several cases that we don't the CAF match commissioner. He always get a bad mind for Sierra Leone. But notwithstanding that, it is the responsibility of the match commissioner for communicating to the referees them. When they left, there was this agreement. The first decision will come from CAF, Secretary General. I will quote him directly. He communicated to the authorities in Sierra Leone, also with Benin, that men are going to hotel, then go quarantine them 5 players there, then take a rest because psychologically for telling the players, and then they return back at 7 or 8 for can play the game. But when they went, I was not at the hotel. Whether everything go agree, I can't tell. Okay. So from that point, you sense how to say there was a politics. This thought about connection. I sense how to see it at the stadium. Then people start to ask the question, say, I'm coming, Martin. Yeah. Now, we talk about connection. If you go to social media, as Martin, they say, it doesn't mean that if the Sierra Leone Football Association don't give you accreditation, some enter by the will of the Ministry of Sports. There is this division where they between National Sport Authority, Ministry of Sports, Sierra Leone Football Association. When it comes to who is in charge, it started from who should be in charge of national team in terms of finance, in terms of proper organization. Because if everybody taking role, if the government emphasize that it is not the responsibility of the National Sport Authority for to collect money in the Ministry of Finance and spender, if these are the budget where they present, say 1.9 billion euros, as we see how NSC was exposed to big corruption. Right. So with all that step, then they start to see, say, this issue about division, this issue about politics starts from your home. Okay. If we were then as Sierra Leone, we are not united, as he say yes, the football association, there are times yes, they will say them form. Give the journalists the opportunity. You don't give all journalists. All organizations get journalists the way they want, but no say you go give everybody. But give those who are accurate, those who are doing their job. Not everybody get for like you. Me we sit down and not everybody like they will go present on this. Then suddenly.
Yeah, I think from the side of the match commissioner. After all this thing happened, I've been to Mani Hotel, Usai, Andy, G, Kwame, we in the CAF security. Like what Hilton say, he mentioned that the time where Salon play Liberian and I want team up for make Salon play behind closed door. And you not be happy with how they treat the Liberians. It seems to be bitter. We get the Tunisia referees them also. We also say na French countries can come out. And when you look at the composition of CAF, you find out say the Francophones then dominate. Yeah. Because I just believe say if it be any English country, be Salon for example, be behave so inside Benin, then we don't forget about this point. None for even they think say let we defer the match to June. Don't forget even think about that day. Like I say, I think I'm happy that the Football Association don't appeal. And when they appeal, the matter not goes to the one who take the decision for defer the match. You understand? They get body responsible for look at the case who present. Okay. What in the Benin then do? They make sure say they rely on them, the journalists them what they come with. Just like what it be happen the scenario where Liberia be Canada. If an outside then journalists them do the dirty work for them. They all over social media. So this, I think, say this going forward, this will be one big lesson for land. Whether be it's the NSA or whether be it's the Football Association, their media representatives and what they can go. It's not about going, you go get team shit send them. It's not about go on comments. We not get work then we not supposed to do. I see the lady where when one of the architect, but all this will happen. Now be the head of media for the Benin ministry. Even the minister of sports here, he misbehave. The Benin minister of sports, he misbehave na Bintumani Hotel. Okay. Ask myself a question: the way how the Benin guys they behave. Now Benin with there on a salon with there. And reach a time I do my Facebook live. Imagine one of the officials tell me say, let me put my camera down. I told her, I said, why me for putting my camera down? When okay, see the tactics so them play. They get them, then journalists them, all cameras point, all thing where they are putting a negative side and they want. Yeah. When they look at who say me camera point back, they tell me say let me put my camera down.
Okay, we could delve more into that and we look at the appeal where the Sierra Football Association say then get for submit to CAF because according to which we together another committee where for organize the AFCON in Cameroon and then reschedule the match for play in June. We have the question now. You feel say the Sierra Football Association will be able to win the appeal for the CAF turn its decision for award the point to Sierra Leone or then go agree for play the match in June 2021. We'll go for a quick break. When we come back, we'll delve more into that inside the program.
Orange like you, and because we like you, we dey introduce we first loyalty program when our Orange like you, the first ever na salon. This na for sure say we appreciate and love all we loyal customer them. Ready oh? Cause we dey can pamper you with amazing surprise them like you dream birthday party, data bonus, voice and SMS offer them. You go get VIP ticket to all program when our Orange dey sponsor. Tourist trips, discounts on prompt postpaid payment, and boku other surprise them. Orange like you now we bolly eye, you now we bosom, and you now we body.
Orange.
Welcome back from the quick break. Kid Watch Around Football Special with me, Mohamed Toby Kango. I'm with two experienced guys in the studio, Hilton John from Star TV and Martin from CTN. And also, I just asked the same question to the two guys, not to use Orange.
Yeah, absolutely.
The same.
Sure.
Okay, well, on the part of the Orange family because we love Get for Sweet. I want to see the next promotion, Martin for the cruise inside Toyota, or so the same Hilton John from Orange. Let me look at the value of journalists them now the country because the journalists them don't be deprived from educating them rights several times. I remember the match against Liberia, the match against Nigeria, and also the match against the Benin, where journalists them not been get the right for make them into the Shaka Stevens Stadium. You know, feel say this gets a big effect also Hilton way on cost to this game.
Yeah, for sure. There are times where you go see the Sierra Leone Football Association get a yardstick, they already accredit journalists them. Martin has been accredited in several cases, yeah. Though not in all cases. And this last one, majority of them were victim because from the point of the Sierra Leone Football Association Secretary General is Christopher Kamara explain how the 200 quota will be distributed. Yeah. Whether now they are accredited journalists or not, we will see the majority they were not accredited. For me, I was not pleased because you have to give them the platform. It doesn't mean that they are big critics of the FA. That is for sure. Martin is one of them. But that doesn't mean that you get for it until you eat for everything. These are about national issue. You have the responsibility and see what it will carry. Maybe in story we go carry will be the positive one we go harm the country development, or maybe in story go damage the contracts. Wait till we see some of them be extended on social media. That was not called for.
You are dominant in the Sierra Leone.
Yeah, that's for sure. Yeah, that's for sure. Because for me, I don't believe that yes, football we can get with domestic problem. We can get we watch with that limits at home. But this is about Sierra Leone. This is not about Aisha. It's not about Chris. It's not about Benson. It's about we. If Sierra Leone go to the Nations Cup, it's an opportunity for you, the journalists. Maybe Matt will be one of the men with a team for going to Cameroon I want to go Cameroon or serve as a commentator in the Nations Cup. You know what it means? Some of us don't serve in the field of commentary over 19 years.
Yeah.
We don't do commentary in the preliminaries. But I want to go, maybe I get the opportunity for read BBC. It's the same to Martin. As well, they see Fajabari is enjoying. So for me, I will not support that point that a majority we are left out. The football association, there are times they will get that knowledge, say, yes, this is not about domestic competition. This is about our country. These guys enter the stadium, yes, they were brought in by the Honorable Minister and the NSA. I hope, say, the football association will try to see how to change the momentum with the face of journalists in that negative aspect to a positive one. Because if the football association, they get press conference, they invite Martin. Martin have collected a lot of transport or transport return from the FA for the local activities. What about international? Okay, I know the thought about waiting to happen on social media. Not everything I take personally on social media. If it costs me on social media, I will still invite you. You cannot be program. You know, Chris, it can cost me. Okay. So I believe, say, the football association, there are times. Let we look at the bigger picture. The bigger picture is about country. It's not about Martin hates the FA, Martin getting candidates with his support. But when it comes to Sierra Leone playing against another country, let me try for see how we can swallow the bitter pills and think about development for our country. Okay,
Martin, let me look at the appeal. Where the Sierra Leone Football Association decide for take to look back into this decision. How strong you feel, say, the FA go for win this?
I go on defer small going before I go to the appeal. Okay, I don't want to take the road at which we will take. Okay. We there for discuss and look at issues them. We're not there for discuss Martin. Me not a critic of the football association.
Yeah, a critic of the Martin.
Let me just come in.
I'll start examples there.
No, please.
We know they are for this. Let me look.
But I start example.
I'm coming. Are you the moderator? Are you the moderator?
Yeah, Martin, go on.
Very well, so allow me. Very well, so. We all think the good of Sierra Leone.
Yeah.
And we all know, say me, like a member of the FIFA media media channel, and I know how it operates. The same goes to CAF. When you are credit journalists, them before this time now apply, they apply. The FA they ask when you want to cover a match for just like international best practice. When you want to cover a match, you apply. I apply for cover the General Assembly of CAF. They not accredit me. I not vex. The CAF press conference, the last one where Ahmed all, I apply, they accredit me. I watch them online through Zoom. Going to being critic, this is about doing our job. Not everything you go say, people will look at you say you critic the FA. Okay. I left here, I went to Makini on my own. I covered the playoff. The next day, I went to Poloko on my own. I covered the playoff. This is not about, I covered the good news of the football association.
But you get interested.
I'm coming.
Gentlemen,
let me just allow this actually, we look at what is supposed to be we role as journalists and what is supposed to be the role of the football association. You understand? Just like earlier, I cited an example that you get to make sure say it no matter. Like the likes of Momodu Gay and others, CAF no they ever restrict them, say because of their critic of CAF, or whether they say things them way bad or good for CAF, but they accredit them.
Momodu Gay has been
I'm coming. I mean, I use the word say.
So you never do background check properly. CAF will not reject Momodu Gay.
I'm coming.
Egypt, it was thrown out of the hall.
Gentlemen in the studio, we want to discuss
about we discuss the issue.
But it's about national team. I'll be bold enough for talk the good and bad side of the FA.
I'm coming. Because this is what they discuss now. It's not for Martin, not for Hilton.
It's about the country.
The Benin team come with 10 journalists. All journalists were accredited. They go inside stadium, not to the right way we supposed to go stadium. Yeah. Like the ministry get names them, right to names them. The likes of I'm not going to call big journalists the name because we are more than 15. When they write to names them, we pass through the gates, through the list of the ministry give, we go inside. We're not to the right way we're supposed to do that. The right way we're supposed to do that now, where they accredit you. You cannot left now say I want to go cover a game na Cameroon and not apply to CAF. CAF not give me accreditation I go there. So this will try for look at the best procedure or practice, how things supposed to be. Now me they Adena one of our producer Owen ki be me witness. Adena the Benin Football Federation, the Facebook page. You go there, you go see me. At the attack, I not do one because of Football Association. I not do one because of Martin. I do one because of the love world gets for the country. Yeah. I not say because of the Football Association that credits me. So means I not go back on social media.
But different platforms.
I'm coming in. Allow me.
Let me just
allow me. I do one because I know saying that the right thing I do for my country. Okay. Because we see how Benny don't take all over the social media. So this get for be responsibility back as journalists them. It no matter. I know they go do one because of a Football Association. I need do one because of NSA or Ministry of Sport. Because no see that get for be my responsibility. Okay.
Let me look at the appeal, Hilton, gentlemen. Let me forget about this issue about Hilton, about Martin, or about Toby, because a lot of journalists in there were able access to the Shaka Stevens Stadium.
Yeah, that's for sure, because they closed the match.
Yeah, it's a 200 people in
now
the Shaka Stevens Stadium. Look at the appeal. Look at them, the Francophone countries. They get a very strong backbone in CAF. You feel say the Sri Football Association gave for appeal to CAF and CAF turned down its decision.
For me, I will not watch on whosoever in a CAF executive. Okay. This is about the reality. This is about precedents. If they start for do this rubbish, we'll see the organizing committee pull out, saying that the match for replay. When other qualifying and come, not only this, other country, where you go, you tell and say player get COVID, they say they play. Waiting next, have a reschedule. Because it go point at you, say there's a precedent already set. It's about credibility. It's about CAF integrity they at stake. It's not about Aisha now. There is this talk to people and they say the Benin FA president is a member of FIFA member council. Fine. Does that mean Benin they go win Nations Cup becoming a member council executive? No. Does that mean because Aisha is president of the Football Association, CAF they go turn the decision one day? It's about the credibility of CAF. The Football Association, as I spoke with the media department yesterday, Ibrahim Kamara, commonly called IBK, it tell me say the Football Association appeal. It depends what the Football Association will present as a case to CAF and the evidence there. I'll be one of the people that will supply the Football Association with evidence there. Because I was at the scene, I do videos, I do audios, I've presented all these documents or what is a document, these video clips to the Football Association. So it's not about once you say Aisha Empower Rich, or once you waiting Aisha, they go say it's about the mommy, the man. No. Okay. Not to Aisha, they go sit down on a panel.
Let's just bring a different case.
Yeah.
Togo play against Kenya. I want to say Togo na a francophone country. 4 Arabic Stars player of Kenya have been tested positive, but then going to CAF allowed them for going to the match and play, and Togo win by goal to nil. We qualified them straight to the AFCON. So what about in this case? Is it that because Benin and francophone country make the committee, the organizing committee for the AFCON, decide for reschedule the match?
I don't think say you get for do it whether you with the Benin president also is a member of the CAF council. Aisha also is a member of the CAF council. For me, I think say that this are bad precedents. The CAF organizing committee don't set on the wall. Okay. Very bad precedent. Just like what Hilton say. Tomorrow, now we get the World Cup qualifying. They come in June. Fixtures already done. They out. Tomorrow also, then he go get Skiman COVID. He say we're not satisfied with the results. We know they play. So these are bad precedents. And for any case who gets to happen again, then go look at the Salon versus Benin case. You understand? This is about playing. This is about playing football. If they don't, me not to a referee, me not to a match commissioner. They don't say go commission a match day. Waiting and send me for go do, I mean they go do. And only for call na CAF and talk say and so that happen. What you have to do? No, they do your assignment. And like when they go talk say, to be you that the uncle you they present a program. If you go for call ON for ask some say whose question I go ask Martin Musha consent. Oh. You don't get for call ON for ask them. This is about the rules. And that's not your case. If you then say go play football, it no matter if it's alone 5 man. When I get after you go up, you appeal the case. You come out evidence system. Now look what Benin they do now. Now then they take samples of the boys them, where they say the negative, send them to France. So you see the areas where they go. The one they use media now for proof say the action will take, now the right action will take.
Okay.
It's here they happen. So me it's not about not so Madam Aisha you want to get for go sit down. The one they will get for go look at the matter. Not so the Benin president get for go sit down there. This is about looking at what team Benin do na the right thing. For not for play the match, return back on the country, na the right thing and do.
Okay.
So that we get for wait, while they wait and see what thing ever be the next. In as much as they don't defer the fixture to June, let's wait and see what thing ever be the outcome.
Let's see. Let me look at the Benin then standing point in this case. Looking at the dynamics around African football, you feel say let me get some rights of a can down the bus and go into the game.
That was total rubbish, even nonsense, I would say, because they were instructed by the FA president or the minister. I stood very close to the boss. Though they are French.
The president from Sierra Leone.
No.
From Benin.
From Benin.
Okay.
Don't have French they speak.
Okay.
Now later on, when President Aisha Yuansi know when she was notified, it cannot be seen. But when it started, it not be no. Always think Aisha, she's looking for Sierra Leone for can play, get a win, everybody dance like today they celebrate. I for the prepare now for go Cameroon next year because I want for go Cameroon. I want to be part of history. When Sierra Leone qualified to the Nations Cup 1994 and 1996, I was a small man by then, despite having watched game. But I want to be part of that history that we are part of the team to Cameroon as a journalist or as a commentator, as I say earlier on. The decision of Benin players and official was totally rubbish, was uncalled for, and they make as if they are the Super Africa world power. So now we want to know if Benin, they are the super world power in African football. Because if Benin don't start for BF2, if they go to Nations Cup, they score and they might come on and feedback saying they play. They will tell you say they get within the abopan. Now make I tell you say now is about what the case our country football association presents to CAF. The football association that appeal, they don't put the evidences together. Let's see how this CAF executive integrity will at stake. And the continent as a whole, not only those who are in the committees, but the continent as a whole, because if we begin start for blunder or we begin start for show this bad precedent in African football, this go help for kill the status of football now we continent. But when the Nations Cup play, our players have the opportunity. Bigger scouts will be going out there for see how they go tap talent today.
And Toby, quick one. This let this be like a lesson to all Sierra Leoneans. I see the way how Benin, the nation, then they be in the country. It always happens so now. But honestly, Salone now one big sickness that they happen where this thing happen. We see former players them, we see them on various social media. They condemn what Nakovac do. I think we're not for in the position for do that. Let be at the camp, let be another person. But let yourself put on the football jersey. You play for your country. You know what he mean.
You can name them players in the Martin.
You know what he mean.
No,
you go to yes, you go to Facebook, you will see the videos then they. These are just a caution that we're not supposed to do this. You understand? We all know say like make earlier state say Nakovac for don't make sure say they don't get the test done at the airport before they allow them for course come over. It in travel to Nigeria saying they don't do the test now at the airport until they wait the next day they do the test.
Yeah.
So I think say that time back on say okay we say we use we on strategy but make sure say we not play this particular game. So like we always see whether this decision could go in favor of Benin. If you go in favor of Benin, means say CAF don't set a very bad precedent. The World Cup qualifiers they come. Teams that will do the same. Although CAF they try to put things in place or mechanisms in place now say now will involve WHO. WHO representative them where they can do this test, go to the laboratory, make sure say all the tests them what they do in line up if it is somebody.
Martin, looking at the perspective where the Beninese them all, you know, if you say themselves get a point that 5 of them players then them tested positive for the COVID, make them not go into the match.
Now they dictate waiting for do. Now like you telling me, Aston Villa, all of them players them one whole team gets COVID. They want me clear and defy the fixture. The English FA insists say no. una keep bring una academy players and come play the match. They play the match.
18.
And there is no law they tell you say now you they dictate ask question. And I remember it was yesterday. They go move back na my own PV. They ask several questions, and you find out say you can't not to Benin they determine when match for play and when match not for play. Okay. The law they tell you say if the law assign you for go play and dates don't be communicated, like if you Hilton the seize the advantage it's if you go na the field go play. Now only the match commissioner gets the right for deferred a fixture or for cancel a match. But what you will see happen at the Sheikh Stephen Stadium will be the opposite. Okay.
Hilton, let's look at the COVID situation now the country. According to CAF, the regulatory status say if any player find of a COVID test positive, if they're not the country undergo quarantine. We see going to the friendly match of against I think it was Niger or Mauritania. You get the captain, he tested positive.
Yes, he get it.
He undergo in quarantine.
Yeah.
Fomba, head of media and NSA. They undergo in quarantine and Niger before returning back, allowing the 5 players them the NACOVAC say tested positive, travel back with the team. You know, if you see these don't cause doubt in the COVID in Africa as a whole.
Well, that would be an internal settlement. You see. You point finger at NACOVAC. Why 5 players travel, as you say? Because we don't see Salon says if you mistake cough starting way, then go test students in a COVID, don't. Alexan Canet can a COVID. Zingele came from Europe, he was tested positive. How Salon we go back to we say we don't capture to go put COVID power. And the doctor who conducted the COVID test is a certified CAF doctor, who is Dr. Songo. So the question will be pointed at NACOVAC. Waiting make una left them 5 players they wouldn't go. And because they can't charge flights, when I afraid for go meet today.
I go help.
Or there was an agreement where unanimously from NACOVAC, Sierra Leone Football Association, the Ministry of Sports, and also the NSA. Martin, in the hotel.
Yes,
or is it that the guy that's too superior?
I go help. Last Friday, I go upload NACOVAC for the strong decision they take, say the 5 players enough for go.
Okay.
What they do, they make sure say all the other delegation they on board the bus, and then they bring 2 separate cars them. Even they reach at a time when one party and jeep them, the salon guy when I for take them go, he say they load them in motor car because they get COVID, so they get for push the motor car go behind, then bring the SLFA cars them. Where they be used by carrying car and one of the SLFA jeep for go then 5 players in there. Okay. You understand? And NACOVAC be so adamant say they follow them.
So in other words,
1 minute.
Yeah.
NACOVAC frown at the decision where SLFA bringing them cars them for transport of 5 players.
No, frown at the decision. Okay. Now the visitors them they talk say the 5 players them for go load outside the other players them load. Okay. And NACOVAC say they not for do that. Okay. And in fact what they do safe. The 2 separate motor they load them, they make sure that they first go before. As they reach Moriton, they get special boats where they put them. They communicate back na Lunge say them players here as them on board so then the boats left. So the rest of the delegation after we done they all left with the 5 players they will get the COVID, then come with the other boats inside the entire delegation can load now before they left for go. Okay. Before they left, we get for day for over 1 hour. They wait for a letter from the Ministry of Health. Ministry of Health send the letter, then come, then sign. Then gets the sports minister for Benin, and we have sports minister, the Madam Aisha Yuan Simide, and also their own FA president. They all sign before they allow the 5 players. Then.
So the MOU was agreed that the 5 players then travel.
Yeah, for travel.
According to
when from NACOVAC them they insisted them players for travel for quarantine.
So in other words, NACOVAC was bullied.
Yeah, they were bullied. They were bullied. Wait for me is a big blow. Big
time on the bet to inside the program. In the appeal case to discussion of 1 or 2 unafisi, we get the strong force and win this appeal for the CAF. Turn a decision and award the point to Sierra Leone.
For me, I am 100% optimistic despite I'm a Sierra Leonean. I don't want now thought we go see now because maybe they support Aisha Juansi as people are saying, and I will support her. She's a Sierra Leonean. As long as Uda in a position for the moment, I will support her for making develop as what I'm doing to the sitting president. If today Komo would have come a work fine, I will support the individual. I'm optimistic that good news will come for Sierra Leone, because if CAF still maintain to the organizing committee decision, we go see the downfall of African football, and we go see the downfall of our continent. But for me, I believe strongly that the Football Association has done their work. They have appealed. We have evidences enough. They have submitted them to CAF. We believe with the integrity of the committee members in the present CAF, they do the election the previous days. It's a test case for the South Africa. And one for stand forget a highly point finger that will not to better yourself camper. Look what soon I don't start by Sierra Leone. Optimistic say will be in Cameroon.
And Patrick, now the first president for CAF from an Anglophone country.
That's for sure.
So they all look up that.
So very be careful.
Yeah, so
integrity they at stake.
If you say we get a strong force going to this appeal for like a sound decision for award the point to Sierra Leone.
I don't think they for do it strong force. It's about it's about doing the right thing.
Okay.
South Africa play against Sudan. Sudan qualify for the African Cup of Nations. South Africa then gets the CAF president. They don't qualify at all for the African Cup of Nations. So for me, it's about doing the right thing. It's not about whether you get majority or you don't get
or influence.
It's about
it's
about doing the right thing.
Yeah.
And we all they look forward, because
that's for sure.
Over 26 years now, so since we last
Cameroon?
No, it's not about me going to Cameroon.
No, you want to go Cameroon.
I'm coming.
You don't want to go Cameroon?
I'm coming. Even as much as I want to go Cameroon. But it's about doing the right thing, and deservedly we qualified to the African Cup of Nations, because at 25 years wait.
Yeah.
Today we see Tanzania, after we don't go the African Cup of Nations, we see them deprived back not for go again, because of the lose. So we all, I don't think any Sierra Leone go see rights pass no more. Maybe you'll tell me
they want to get bad at
you get sort of political angle.
Yeah.
But I know I'm making.
They want to not let the Football Association executive.
Everybody wants to see Salon play back in the African Cup of Nations.
That's for sure.
Let me see me picking who are born say. Me 48 for what 1994, 1996.
Although you are small.
Well, 48 for what, you understand?
Yeah.
Well, last see me picking then say 48 for what?
Yeah.
The 2022 African Cup of Nations.
And you said go Cameroon.
All right, thank you very much to Hilton John from Star and Martin from CTN. You guys have been amazing in the studio this evening. Thank you very much to the camera team, to Maury, Jallo, and also the producer MC Owen. We don't give you all this information that we get a very good program. Well, with the way on the decision we could come up from CAF after the Israeli Football Association with our appeal for the CAF turned down the decision, as according to which we gathered that the Benin side broke the Article 82, which say any team will fail for honor a CAF fixture need for loss 3 points and 2 goals. But let's wait till it will be the outcome. Till we meet sometime. Goodbye.